Welcome to Walk into Art. There are nights like this when sleep refuses to come and the sound of the rain becomes the only rhythm in the room. Outside, the city is silent. No footsteps, no cars, only the steady fall of rain against glass and stone. I sit awake, waiting for the first light of morning, yet caught in the timeless drift of night. On nights like this, my imagination opens a door. I picture people driven by the rain stepping into this quiet room. One pushes the door open, wet hair clinging to their face, raindrops sliding down their coat. Another is already inside, wrapped in a blanket on the sofa. Hands folded under their chin, as if trying to hold on to warmth. By the window, someone undressed from soaked clothes, bare feet against the floor and steam rising faintly from their skin. The mirror on the wall catches fragments of these moments. A hand here, a face there, half memory, half dream. The room becomes a refugee, not just from the rain, but from the weight of sleepless hours. Each figure is both stranger and familiar. Perhaps they are memories. Perhaps they are parts of my life. The rain keeps falling, soft, relentless. It fills the silence like a lullaby that refuses to end. And slowly, beyond the window, a faint light grows. The fleck of night softens to gray, and then to the pale breath of dawn. I realize I have not moved for hours. Only lines have moved on paper across the page, following the shapes of this imagined night. When the sun finally rises, the rain still lingers, but the world feels changed. The sleepless night, the quiet company of rain and shadows, and the figures who entered only in thought, they all remain within the drawing. Sometimes art begins not with what we see, but with what we cannot sleep through. With the weight of hours and the whisper of rain. And so this night, like the rain itself, finds its place in lines, in memory, and in silence that slowly gives way to morning. Imagine with me.